Okay, this video is for people whose Rangers turn signals are not working but their hazards work. So this can be a number of issues. It could either be your flasher relay found under the dash could be malfunctioning. Quick easy way to test that is if your hazards come on, your flasher relay works. If you don't hear any clicking when you disconnect it and connect it again, then your relay's out. Just be careful because some Rangers are color-coded. The newer Rangers use these blue ones, while the older ones for my 2000 use the yellow ones. And just be careful if you order aftermarket, because some of these relays don't have this extra pin up here in the corner, like this one that I got from Rock Auto. So just make sure that you get the correct color for your Ranger. So what you can also do is also check, if they don't come on at all, you can check fuse number 10 inside of the passenger compartment. If that's blown, then you shouldn't have any signals at all. What the most common issue that I've found reading the forums is that it turns out to be the multi-function switch, and that's your windshield wiper and turn signal switch. Usually it's one thing that blows on this thing. It could either be the windshield wiper or the actual turn signals themselves. For me, it was the turn signals. So once I swap that out, get the dash out, and it's pretty easy. It's just two T15 Torx screws, one up there and one down there, and then it's two plugs going into the actual dash. And after that, it should start up. So now let's try it. There we go. And hazards. So before I didn't get any turn signals, but I did have hazards. But after swapping out the multifunction switch, let's see how long this thing will last.